I didn't walk to Finisterre, I took a bus tour instead. I kind of regret it, but in reality, I'm not sure I would have physically made it. Taking the bus tour had some advantages. There were some amazing tidbits of information that I learnt. The first being that Galicia has so many eucalyptus trees because they were brought from Australia by a priest in the 19th century. It is now a critical part of the paper industry, but unfortunately the gums have become pests, releasing toxins into the soil. The Camino finishes at Murcia, not Finisterre. Legend has it is the last place that St. James was seen at Murcia. The angels guided a boat of stone with the Virgin Mary on board, who said to St. James, "Your work here is done." There are 3 rocks here that are apparently remnants of the boat. One stone is the base, the other is a keel, and the last the sail. The movie The Way films between the 3 stones. The 4 pilgrims look out to sea with the lighthouse in the background. Each leaves, then Tom says his final goodbye to Daniel, spreading his ashes out to the infinite sea. At the Finisterre township, I had a delicious seafood Galician haggis on a bed of potatoes. Finisterre Camino predates Christianity and is actually a Gaelic tradition. The lighthouse has a 0 marker, not for the Camino Frances, but for the Camino Finisterre. There is a pilgrim's boot statue. It used to be tradition that pilgrims would burn their clothes, but it is no longer allowed. I'm not sure how many people listen because there is still ashes scattered around the cliffs. This is known as the end of the world and the infinite sea. It is an amazing place to stand. Adding to the special feeling for me was this day a pod of dolphins swam on by. I actually have 2 regrets. 1 was not walking here, and 2 was also not staying for the sunset, which apparently is magical. But boy, I am so glad that I made the effort to see this area.